Welcome and congratulations for enrolling to this course. In this course, you will learn a lot of things about Facebook, but not as a user, but as an affiliate marketer, or even better, as a marketer, or as someone who wants to grow a business online using Facebook. And first of all, we will start seeing all the marketing strategies and approaches that we can use on the internet to boost an online business. And with that said, we're going to see the most popular marketplaces where you can start choosing products to promote on the internet and also on Facebook. I will show you how you can promote your affiliate marketing products on Facebook using the Facebook tools, groups, pages, posts, and so on. So I will teach you how to create a new group and how to create a new fan page and how to get likes and how to promote your post and your ads. Then I will show you how you can grow your list of customers and subscribers with a very little effort without doing too much. I will show you a powerful tool that you can use to retrieve a lot of customers and store them into your autoresponder and these customers are focused customers in your niche. I will show you how you can analyze your market and see if there is money out there, if people are spending money in your market, and if there is a competition, and how you can understand what your competition is doing. I will show you how you can create campaigns, Facebook campaigns, advertising campaigns, and how you create your amazing ads using text and images. I will show you all the powerful tools and ways to find awesome images to use for your post, and how to create content to make your Facebook fan pages evergreen so that people will come back to you over and over again and will find new fresh content for them and also new promotions so that you can expand your business. This can be done on the internet, but even locally. I will show you all the steps, all the step-by-step processes to get an amazing online business using Facebook and its tools.